Spread it around. I'm going to take a little bit more. Spread it on top. Doing good, Fia. Looks good.
Sophia, what are you doing? You're making your cupcakes? What color is your cupcake? It's green. Why green? Nope, nope. You could use your finger. Yep.
Yeah, she watched Daddy do it.
Yeah. There's her example. Right there.
Put it back in here. And we're all done.
Meme, what's your color?
And I go like this.
White.
White. Classic.
I have red dye on my finger.
That's okay. Let's see the work. Looks good. Nums.